Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare FastAPI versus Flask benchmarks. We'll dive into these two popular Python web frameworks, exploring their core philosophies and what makes each unique. FastAPI, with its focus on speed and modern Python features, stands in contrast to Flask's minimalist and highly flexible design. Understanding their fundamental differences is the first step in determining which framework aligns best with your development needs and project goals. When it comes to raw performance, FastAPI generally holds a clear advantage over Flask. Its asynchronous capabilities allow it to handle many concurrent requests more efficiently, leading to higher throughput. While Flask is performant for many applications, FastAPI's design, leveraging modern Python features and tools like Unicorn, often results in significantly faster response times and the ability to process thousands more requests per second under heavy load, making it ideal for high-performance APIs. Beyond raw speed, the development experience and built-in features differ considerably. FastAPI shines with its automatic API documentation, which is a huge time saver, and its robust data validation powered by Pydantic. This means less manual coding for common tasks. Flask, on the other hand, offers a more do-it-yourself approach, giving developers maximum control, but often requiring more setup for features like documentation or complex data handling. Both approaches have their merits depending on your project's specific needs. So, which framework is better? It truly depends on your project. If you're building a high-performance API, a microservice, or need strong data validation and automatic documentation, FastAPI is likely your best bet. Its modern features and speed are compelling. However, for smaller applications, rapid prototyping, or when you desire ultimate control and a very lightweight core, Flask remains an excellent and highly flexible choice. Consider your team's familiarity and the long-term maintenance of your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.